Welcome to Museful Creations, where imagination comes to life.
Hey, Museful Creations fam, buckle up. This is next level epic. You adored that double pocket spine, so I've jazzed it up with secret pockets, turning into binding bosses for more signatures, pure magic. We're diving into journaling genius. I made two mini art journals. One's my jam-packed sidekick with ISC flower, mixed media, and a butterfly stamp with embossing powder, plus handmade Peerless swatches, ribbon closures, and a writing board. But the real star today is the next level recycle spine we're about to build. Remember those incredible double pockets from our last hack? Well, I've discovered a few unique elements and made some exciting artistic pivots along the way to make it even more functional. Let's get started. You'll need to grab a couple of recycle boxes to create the double spine and also the front and the back covers. The spine size are 3 7/8 by 5 1/4. The covers measure 4 7/8 by 5 1/8. Now, the video is a little different than series 1 because I want to share with you how I constructed this core spine and this journal. And then I will share a little bit of the mixed media elements that I used in the first journal that I created. Any questions, please let me know in the comments. This fun tip that I'm about to share is so cool. If you don't want to use the 3-hole pamphlet stitch, you can use 3 brads in between those pockets, the front and the back pockets that creates the first and the 5th signature. Now I'm showing you that I used quilting clips to glue and secure the front and the back covers. This fun DIY elastic closure hack is so much fun. I will show you how I go about putting this together with various sprays and an eyelet, and super easy for you to create. If you have any questions, definitely let me know in the comment section. Now, the next segment is where I bring out all sorts of mediums and different add-ons from the Bodalia kit to show you how I created the color swatches and then created the fun mixed media mini page with various ISC stamps and other embellishments. Now I took a watercolor page from the second spine and I stamped an image with Versamark pad, and then I used black fine embossing powder to cover the innovative stamp creation flower image, which I will heat set. And now I'm showing you how I put together those little color swatches from the Bodalia add-on kit, and this is super easy to put together with an eyelet, and then I'll attach that to the front tab on the front cover, and that way it's easy for me to access whenever I want to take some time at night and just doodle and color into my mini art journal. And here I'm showing you how relaxing and how much fun it is to actually use my little mini color palette, if you will, and color that beautiful flower. Next, I use a soap sponge that is dry, and with a little bit of the archival ink, I add a few distress effects to the background. And here I'm showing you how I added additional elements like the words cherish each moment and a embossed ISC butterfly stamp, and also adding a little embellishment in between the wings. Next, I used calligraphy white ink. I diluted in water, and then I took a splatter brush and added those specks of paint, which add that pop to my mixed media page. The next level spine, from cracker box to a mini art journal with stitched secrets and elastic swagger, is completed. Definitely consider grabbing the free creative prompt, which is the secret spine layout with the breakdown of how I put this together. And here I'm showing you additional pockets that you'll be able to add in the front, which is the first signature, and also the fifth signature. Grab the August kit on Ko-Fi this Thursday. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And thank you so much for spending your time with me. Until next time, take care.